I got my first ever payout after trading the financial market for the past 4 years. And today I'm going to show you my experience, all my ups and downs, all my journey about trading this foreign market and which has led me to this point. Hello everyone, my name is Tom Din. I'm 22 years old. I'm from India, Manipur, and I've been trading this financial market for the past 4 years. And just after I finished my higher secondary school, which is pretty crazy to me considering I have told each and every person, including my parents, that I want to become an engineer, but instead right here, but instead I become a full-time trader in the foreign exchange market. And today I'm going to be showing all the ups and downs and also the process of how I get my first ever payout after 4 years of roller coasters of emotions. And I'm going to be showing everything from the very start of what kind of concept that I use, and then what kind of pairs that I trade, thought process throughout this whole pro firm journey, because it is quite difficult. I'm not gonna lie, because it took a lot of time in order to pass the first phase and the second phase, and also before I pass my funded challenges, I took a bunch of them. So I'm gonna be talking all about that. So let's get straight to the desktop. So today is 5th February, right? 5th February, 2025, and I just get payout, my first ever funding payout after 4 years. Here I have my share at $8, and I'm gonna be showing you like after it has been processed, after the $10 fee, I get like $78. But it is not large, it is not huge, but everything huge is going to start from somewhere, right? So I'm very grateful and excited for this. So yeah.
So right now, this is my funding pips dashboard, and you're seeing this like before I actually pass my funded challenge and actually get my master account, I have failed like 3 times, and from those 3 times, like like it is not like a 1 week or 2 week trades. Like I'm spending like almost like from March 13th to like May 15th, like that is like almost 2 months. So I spent 2 months trying to pass this account. So it is not like a quick thing. Like I'm actually testing my stuff. I'm actually testing my own trading rules, own trading aids. I'm building it. So and if you see here, I'm trading like so many peers, like from major peers to minor peers to JPY peers, even the even gold I took. So it is at that time. At that time I was testing, like should I stick to some major peers or like should I trade most of the peers. So for me, like from the data that I have been collected, uh I'm really focusing on the only on the major pairs, especially the euro and GU. I only trade those two pairs. So yeah, bro, like so this is from March 15 to May 15, um like 2 months. And then after it again, I think again this also quite, it is quite quick. So from May to June, so it is like a month. So it is like a month also. So here also I still trade like so many peers. I still trade, and then like look at my win rate. Like my win rate is actually very like 14%. But I'm actually testing my stuff. So the last one, it took like, I think it took like more like from June, July, August, September, like a 3 month. Like this trade, I traded more than like a 3 month, and tested. I think I trade so many, like almost 70 trades I have taken. I have taken. So from this data, you can see that I'm not really recklessly, you know, um, risking so many like 2-3% a trade. I'm generally risking 1% or less in every trade. So as you can see, my win rate is less than 38%, and then just testing out stuff. As you can see, also I've been trading even gold, also even silver, also. So yeah, I cannot, even though I'm quite profitable, but I cannot, maintain my losses, and yeah, that's happened. So from this three relations, like it almost like a 8 to 10 months from this three accounts. So I have gathered a lot of data. As you will see from here, like I have gathered a lot of data that I have been collecting, and you could see. So after that, this one it's pretty much quick. I think I passed this one like less than a month. So from October 1 to October 2 to like a three weeks, more than 3 weeks, right? So you will find here I only trade EU or GU. So this is gonna be my first very important data that you can see from here, because and also you can see a very much like I think I only look at this. I only take like 8 trades, right? So only 8 trades I've taken it, risking 1%, and then targeting the 1:2. So that's how I take my trade. So it took like only like a 3 months, like a 3 week, and then this one I think it took more than like from October 29 to January. So like a November whole month, December, January. So like a 2.5 months. You know, for this 5%, it took like 2.5 months. Like I'm very patient with this, because I cannot afford to lose it, and I can afford to make another dumb mistake that I've been doing repeatedly throughout my career of this trading journey. So yeah, like you can see, like my win rate is only 50%, but over it. But at the very last one, this $400, this is because I'm gonna close the trade on the 1:2, but I can see that the market can actually extend to the to at least 1:4, 1:5, maybe 1:6. That's why I took the risks, and let the market do its thing, and it did its thing. So I'm very happy about it, and as you can see, I'm only trading the euro and ZU, nothing else. So like total of 28 trades in the span of 2.5 months. I think it is good. I think it is good. Like I'm not trading. I'm not over trading. I'm just taking according to my plan. And yeah, man. And this one master, I just took out my profit like $88. Like as you can see, I only take one trade, and I'm actually targeting around 170 to $180, right? 1:2, because I risk 0.8%. But I'm very, like in funding pips, they have a rule where you have to make at least 1%, right? So once it goes to 1%, I just took it off. And also, like I'm gonna show you the trade. I'm gonna actually show you, like this is the trade that I took. This 22 January, I took the long here. Like for me, this one is the London continuation, like accumulation, manipulation, and we have also a SMT here, SMT divergence on the 1 hour with GBP USD. So this one is GBP, this one is Euro USD. So we have a SMT, and we have I'm looking like a SN accumulation, London manipulation, and distribution. So if you go to the 15 minutes, you can see a change in structure here. For me, this one is a change of structure, and I actually took the entry somewhere here, 15 pips, 15 pips, and yeah, my original target is here, but like at that time I'm like, this is gonna be my first belt also, so I just took it out here, somewhere here. So man, it's all good, it's all good, man. But and also I would like to show you my how do I keep my journal. As you can see, this is my third week of the January. Pair euro longs, and that day London profit, London result also, and the type of trades that I'm taking. I have two tabs. One on the London, and the another on the New York session. So I journal like this also. And if you guys are interested in my Notion template, then I can send you. Comment down if anyone actually need it. So that's how I just document my journey like this. So yeah.
Okay, so guys, this is basically my experience about my first ever trading payout from a funding company. And if you guys like to be able to consistently make profits in this field, then I would like to suggest is that you have to first find your trading edge. You either make it by yourselves or you're gonna copy from someone. So that's what I really did. I really kind of like I have a one-of-one with one of my I'll call him a mentor, because I've called him one-on-one, and I just ask him if how he approached the market and all, and I just build my own thing around that approach. So what you have to do is you have to first find your concept that you're going to use, and you're going to use the concept to build your own trading aids. And then after you build it, how you build is you have to go back from the data, and you have to collect the data by back testing. You have to back test a lot of previous year, previous year, and then you have to collect the data, and then you have to actually apply apply on the real life, and see if it works or not. So that's how I build it. And once you build it, then you're just gonna have a lot of discipline, and you're gonna wait for the opportunity to come, and and then you just took the opportunity, and then after that you just wait for the next opportunity to come. So patient took the trade, patient took the trade. So I think that's what trading should be. Patient, like almost like 80% of the time, and then the remaining 10 to 20% you're gonna execute it without flawlessly, without even thinking about anything besides the stop loss entry and the take profit. So yeah, and then I want to be making a lot of videos about the weekly forecast. I'm going to be making those kind of anticipating what the next week is going to be for my approaches. And then also I'm going to be making a video about the trade that I have taken. So I'm going to break down all the trades that I have taken, why the reasoning behind it, and then also I want to show the execution and all those things, just to keep transparency. And then also I would like to just um, document my journey. So yeah, see you in the next video.